Hello, my name is Shantanu Pandey. I am legal internet lecturer in company. Today I am going to talk about admissibility and electronic evidence under Indian Evidence Act. The admissibility of electronic evidence is a complex and challenging aspect of Indian Evidence Act. With the advancement of technology, electronic evidence such as email, text, message, social media posts and digital document has become prevalent in the legal proceeding. However, there are several issues and considerations related to the admissibility of such evidence. Authenticity. One of the primary challenges in the electronic evidence is establishing authenticity. The court needs to ensure that the electronic evidence presented is genuine and has not been tampered with or manipulated. This involves providing the integrity of electronic record and demonstrating that it is accurate, representing the information it purports to contain. Secondary evidence. The Indian Evidence Act generally requires the production of primary evidence, which refers to the original document of the object itself. However, electronic evidence is often in the form of secondary evidence such as a printout of digital copies. The Act allows for the admissibility of secondary evidence under certain circumstances, but it must be shown that the original electronic record is not accessible or its production is impracticable. Expert opinion. In case of involving complex technical issues, the court may rely to the expert opinion to establish the admissibility and authenticity of electronic evidence. Expert witness with the specialized knowledge in digital forensic and computer science may be called upon to testify regarding the reliability and the accuracy of electronic evidence. The court evaluates the qualification and credibility to expert witness and the way of opinion accordingly. It is important to note that the admissibility of electronic evidence is a fact-specified determining made by the court based on the circumstances of each case. The court evaluates the relevance, authenticity and reliability of the evidence and applies the principle of the Indian Evidence Act to decide its admissibility and weight. Thank you. For any other doubt, let us know through comments.